We strive to make EGD as simple as possible. In today's lesson, we will look at a mechanical drawing in the grade 10 HSE Workbook, page 6-2. We already did number 1 and number 2. In this video, we will focus on number 3. The following is important. We need to do this question in freehand. We need to show all the hidden detail and we need to name the views. So we know by now that the top view will be located here, the front view over here, and the right view will be placed over here. The first thing that we're going to identify is everything that we will see on the right view. And I'm going to use a highlighter to indicate that. We will see this front part here. That slope. That block over there. And then also this triangle. That is everything that we will see on the right view. There will be some additional information which we'll need to indicate with hidden detail to show the hidden detail. But the first thing that I want to do is I want to go and determine the total length and total height of this right view. The right view we are going to draw here, so let's count the blocks. The width is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total height is going to be 1 block plus 2, 3, 4 in total. So 1 plus 1, 2, 3. So it's 4 in total. So it is 6 by 4. This part is on top of this plate. So that is 1. That thickness is 1. Then it's an additional 1, 2, 3. Then we are at the highest point. So 4 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. That point over there is this point over there on the isometric. We can go the total length of 6 to the right. Three, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can go 1 up, 1 up, 1, 1. Then we can close it again to the full length of 6. Then we have the slope or ramp. That height is only 1 block. Can you see it there? Do not count sideways. You count at the back. You'll see that it only goes to a height of 1 block. It has a width of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So it's 1 block up. Up. Then we can close it. Then it's this part, 1, 2, 1, 2. It has the same width as the slope. One, 2, 1, 2. Close it. And then that ramp or that diagonal line there at the back, we can place it from there all the way to the highest point over there. We can draw that line in. Alright, now we still need to add in the hidden detail. And there is a hole here, and there's a groove cut it out, and we can assume that it goes all the way through from the top to the bottom. We're going to do this one first. It is 1 from that side and 1 from that side. So 1 from this side and 1 from that side. So it has a thickness of 1 block. So dotted line there. And over here. There we go. That dotted line indicates that hole over there. The groove at the back sits in the middle between this or between this point and that point. So it's one block in, one block in, one block in, one block in, all the way through. From there, there's a groove from the top to the bottom. There's the groove. We need to name this view. This is your right view. In capital letters, we write right view. Now let's move to the front view. The front view can be seen in this direction. So let's highlight everything on the front view. It's going to be this part, and the slope. Once again, we will see some hidden detail over there and over there. The height will stay the same on the front view. So we can project this height over to our front view. And we are going to go and determine the width of the front view. The height we already have from there to there, which has a total of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is the block for our front view. There's a solid line. It's a solid line over here. Solid line over there. Then that line goes all the way to the highest point. So on the left side, all the way to the top. It has a width of 1, 2. At 2, there's the slope. We're going to close it there at the top. So that's the slope or the ramp part that you see there. Then we're going to go 2 to the right, 2 down. 1, 2, 1, 2. One to the right. And then we connect that point to that point from there to there. Close it over here. There we go. That is everything on the front view. Now we need to put in the hidden detail. Let's do this one first, the hole. It is 1 from that side and 1 from that side. So 1 and 1. And it's only in this base plate. So it is from here, short, short, to here, short, short. That's the hidden detail. Then this groove is 2 blocks inwards. 1, 2, and it will go from the top all the way to the bottom. So that hidden detail line is going to lie behind this solid line. But because it's going all the way through, we will see it only in this little part down here. So we're going to add that in. Dot, dot. Happy with that. Now let's move to our top view. Once again, if this is your front, then that should be your top. We're not going to rotate our top view. So we need to make sure that these will stay in line and that the views are aligned. So the total width is going to be from there to there. And this width, we can project this up to the 45 and then to the left. So it's going to be 6 by 6. That point and that point, or that line and that line, is that line and that line. So we can go draw them as solid lines. 6, 6. Then we can go all the way to the back There's one continuous line. There we go. Then one down. Then two in. We're not guessing, we are counting the blocks. Then one back. Then back two. Then all the way to this point. I'm going to make that U shape. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2 over there. There's the U shape. Then it's this little rectangle. So it's 1 and the slope 1. So I'm just going to close it here. There. And there. You can see this plane there. There it is. That plane there. There it is. They need to stay aligned. Okay, the slope. Here's the width. We can project this up. So there's the width of 2. And now we can go put in that hole, which is 1 from the sides. So there, 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 and there we go. This is our top view, and this is your front view. Okay, remember we're writing capital letters. So we've got the slope, we've got the hole, we've got that square, the U shape, that plane, and the slope. We've got everything on the right and everything on the front. And that is that for number 3. Please make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications, because in the next lesson we will do number 4. Take care, and I'll see you then.